Hey, this is Jill with TenMarks, and this short video should take you through the following getting started steps. You're going to create a teacher account. Within that teacher account, you're going to create a class and a demo student, and then we're going to see what it looks like from a student's perspective, all within just the next few minutes. So where I am here is at www.tenmarks.com. That's the Getting Started login page. You're going to click Sign Up. And you're going to give your teacher account a name and a password. Then you're going to do a little math question just to make sure you're not a computer. And when you click Submit, we'll be getting started here. The first step is to go ahead and choose the school that you're associated with. And there should pop up a little list of all the schools that you'll are in your zip code. And then you're going to choose a grade level. And in this case, I'm just going to choose grade 5 and give my class a name. And this is going to have created my class. And the final step I want you to do for right now is to add a demo student. Your demo student is going to be a handy learning tool for you that will enable you to even to experience TenMarks as a student. So when you make changes to your account and you're initially exploring and getting set up, you'll see exactly what it looks like from a student perspective. It's also kind of fun to have a demo student to put on the big screen when you're introducing new features or topics to your student. I've heard wonderful stories of classes who adopt their demo student as their mascot almost when they're getting into their math lessons. So right now I'm at the TenMarks homepage. I have one class called Room 26, and you'll see that I have just one student. This will be the summary of what's going on in your class, and I just have demo student. So I'm going to click this download roster button, and this will give me my login information for our demo student. So you see I've just clicked on the roster, and I'm going to cut and paste this. And that's all I'm going to do for now. We're going to come back in just a moment to my teacher account, but I want to show you how easy it is to log in and get started from that student account. So now I'm going to put in my new demo student and password. And you'll see that there's a nice little intro that a student receives when they log in for the first time. And before you've even done anything, because I have said that this is a 5th grade class, the one default thing that is set up for you automatically is what we call Jam Session. Jam Session is probably the easiest way to just start flexing your math muscles in TenMarks, because you can just click on Jam Session as a student, choose which of the topics you're working on now or that you want to work on, and you can start jamming with math. And just, this is a great fluency practice kind of a opportunity. So as soon as the students type in their response, they get another question. And now we're going to just do a couple of these, and I'll show you how easy it is to now see what's going on. So you'll notice that the students have a home page, the jam session. They do have a reports and reward zone that will start filling itself out as we do content. There's some reward certificates and games that they can earn, and they just love that. So that's how easy it is to get started with a teacher and student ID. I'm just going to show you one last thing. I'm going to log back in with my newly created ID. And what you'll notice here is that on my summary, I still am just looking at that initial student, but I also have a new jam session report that it's already starting to show me how my student has performed on the jam session. So without even just more than a couple of minutes, we've already got some success going here. And what many teachers do is they just start out in their first few minutes or days with TenMarks, and they just kind of start working with the teacher-student side of things, and you can just start with jamming. Uh, Maybe 10 to 20 questions in jam session for your first week might be a good idea. The other thing that you're going to want to begin exploring is assignments, and we'll cover assignments in our next video. Thanks so much for listening.